Hey everyone, today we're unboxing something I've been super excited to check out, the Redmi Watch 4. If you're into smartwatches that blend sleek design with solid performance, you're going to love this one. Now let's open it up. Inside, you get the user manual and warranty booklet, a sturdy magnetic charging cable, and of course the watch itself, carefully wrapped in protective plastic on both the screen and the band, super satisfying to peel off. Once unwrapped, you can really appreciate the premium look. Aluminum alloy frame, lightweight yet durable, and it feels amazing in the hand. There's also a scroll wheel on the side that's smooth, clicky, and just adds to the premium feel. Perfect for navigating through menus quickly and easily. Setting it up is super simple. You scan the QR code, download the Mi Fitness app, and follow the guided steps. You're good to go in no time. Now, let's talk about the operating system and user interface. The Redmi Watch 4 runs on a custom lightweight operating system that's built for speed and battery efficiency. Everything feels incredibly snappy and fluid. So, if you're in the market for a watch that looks amazing and works even better, the Redmi Watch 4 might just be your new wrist companion. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.